For better or worse, the phablet category is no longer the exclusive domain of Android, as Nokia has made a noteworthy entry into the space. The 6-inch Lumia 1320 is the second and less impressive of the company's two new phablets, as it's strictly a mid-range device. The 1320 actually serves to pretty much close what is perhaps that last gap in the Finnish company's product line, as it now has devices across all parts of both the size and price spectrum. So how does this $330 odd phablet monstrosity fare outside the lab? Let's find out. In the box: wall charger, Microsoft USB cable, earphones. Before we get to the quality of snaps, let's talk specs. The Lumia 1320 has a 5-megapixel rear camera unit with an f/2.4 aperture and a 1/4 sensor with fairly large, 1.4 micron pixels. An LED flash is available, and so is the aforementioned two-step shutter key on the lower right profile of the phablet. Up at the front, we have a lowly 0.3 megapixel VGA snapper with an f/2.8 aperture, good for nothing more than the occasional selfie and video call. As you can expect, a 5-megapixel camera is nothing to get truly excited about. It offers decent amount of detail, but no more than expected. However, it is actually fairly good with its automatic exposure settings and image reproduction. Stills look very close to what we were seeing with our own eyes, if a day darker. The shooter is sometimes fringement, though, and some snaps game out with a severe yellow tint to them. Equally as tricky were low to medium light scenarios, in which the snapper often used its not-so-potent flash to brighten up the scenes. Also, the amounts of digital noise can sometimes get out of hand. On a positive note, 1080p video capture was satisfying to say the least, and we were especially content with the autofocus capabilities of the phone. It is blazing fast. Speaking of speed, this also applies to the time it takes the Lumia 1320 to snap a photo, commit it to its memory, and prepare for another one. Good stuff all around.